Good morning and good evening, everyone. So I will now record my diary. So I have heard what I did say last or yesterday or last recording, and then I'm pretty happy on the outcome of the video because I didn't sound like I'm eating something. I convey my thoughts properly, and also I didn't say on the whole conversation or whole video. And right now I did write something, so let me read one. Chichito isho ni kurumade karuno iye ni ite hitsuyo no mono o buji ni uketoru koto ga dekita. So what does it mean is that I get my things, or the things that I left at Karu's home. So it's Karu on Japanese, but essentially I did get the food processor which I'll be using to make smoothie or shake, whatever you call that. So I'll be using that to make a banana shake. I did get the rice cooker, so my father wants to borrow it to us, so I did get it so that they can use it to cook rice. So it's essentially a big rice cooker that cooks up to 4 to 5 kilograms of rice. And then we did get our gas, the one that we use for cooking. So we did get that, and also I bought 2 trays of eggs. So I really like that. So that is 2 trays of egg, and I'll be eating eggs as my protein source, and then I'll be eating mainly rice, as my country is culture. And then I'll be eating more of green or fresh produce. So I'll be focusing on my health, as I have said in my previous video. And yeah, I'll be waiting for the smartwatch, and also I'll be buying some stuff or my gifts for my brothers. So I think I'll go outside to buy some stuff rather than online, because I have few things in mind. So I don't know if they are watching this video or they know this video exists, but yeah, I will give my brother a shoe.